One minute, Angela Simmons was glowing beside Yo Gotti. The next, she vanished like a deleted scene. No goodbyes, no captions, just silence. And then enter GloRilla, dripping in diamonds and confidence. But what really happened behind the scenes? Was this a love story turned business strategy? Or something deeper? Let's unravel the truth, because this isn't just drama. It's a full-blown plot twist. This whole saga has become nothing short of a full-on spectacle, dressed in luxury and dripping with unspoken tension. And when it comes to Angela Simmons, she didn't just exit stage left, she vanished like a plotline, got edited out. No emotional captions, no cryptic quotes, no farewell moment. One day she was glowing on red carpets beside Yo Gotti, and the next, she evaporated into silence. But this isn't your typical celebrity split, it's giving cinematic energy. Like a rap soap opera filled with surprise exits, iced-out distractions, and quiet detonations. Just when the buzz begins to settle, another plot twist explodes across social feeds. It feels like a trap love drama unfolding live, with everyone watching closely to figure out who's winning and who's just performing for the gram. Let's rewind. Though because Yo Gotti wasn't quiet about his affection for Angela, he name-dropped her in bars, turned verses into love confessions, and crowned her publicly. When she finally responded with a green light, Gotti didn't hold back, he rolled out the luxury treatment. We're talking private jets, red carpet glam, matching fits. The whole power couple narrative was in full effect. Until it wasn't. Out of nowhere, the fairy tale fizzled. The cozy captions stopped. The flirty reposts dried up. Not even a moody breakup reel. It all disappeared like it never existed. Then came the moment that shook the entire internet, the mutual that single, silent gesture hit harder than any breakup statement or cryptic caption ever could. In an age where social media often serves as the first clue that something has gone wrong, this move was the digital equivalent of slamming a door without saying a word. Fans were quick to notice. Angela, once the undisputed queen of her love life through poetic quotes, heart emojis, and subtle hints, suddenly went radio silent. No more sweet birthday tributes, no reflective anniversary throwbacks, not even a quiet repost of old memories. It was as if her whole chapter with Yo Gotti had been archived without warning. The timeline exploded with theories. What had gone wrong? Why the sudden shift? People close to Angela hinted that the love may have been lopsided, that she had been investing emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually in a relationship that was no longer filling her cup. Meanwhile, Gotti was immersed in work, studio sessions, late-night meetings, back-to-back press runs. It began to look like he had mastered the art of multitasking, everything except being present in the relationship. For Angela, that imbalance grew heavier over time. She had been loyal, consistent, and supportive, cheering from the front row and holding things down behind the scenes. But when a woman begins to feel invisible in her own story, especially one she thought she was co-authoring, in her shifts, and in Angela's case, she chose peace over performance. That unfollow was not just a petty swipe, it was a boundary. A message without needing to say a word. She had been showing up for someone who, in return, gave her breadcrumbs of attention. And when that truth settled in, she did what many strong women do: she quietly walked away. Her silence spoke volumes. While the internet dissected every missing picture and decoded every caption, Angela said nothing. No interviews, no heartbreak posts, no dramatic exits, just grace. Just stillness. And honestly, that type of quiet hurts louder. It makes people lean in, speculate harder, and realize that maybe what looked perfect on the surface had been unraveling for a while. What followed was a shift not just in Angela's relationship status, but in her energy. Her feed evolved from couple goals to solo power moves. She rebranded herself without saying a word. Fans saw it, they felt it. And whether they mourned the end or applauded the reset, everyone agreed Angela knew her worth. And that it was not revenge. It was released. From that point forward, it was clear Angela was done. She dropped captions that read like veiled jabs, power posts filled with self-worth and zero nostalgia. Meanwhile, Gotti kept it icy cool, like none of it happened. No public statement, no reflection, just beats and studio sessions, as if he hadn't just lost the woman he once idolized in lyrics. That silence. Deafening. Enter GloRilla, stepping into the spotlight like she owned it. The timing raised eyebrows for a reason. She didn't just appear. She arrived from day one at CMG. It was obvious she wasn't just another artist on the label. Gotti gave her the royal treatment: jets, velvet ropes, center stage, up and dripping in diamonds. His support didn't just look professional, it looked personal. And the internet caught on instantly. While fans were still trying to make sense of the Angela and Gotti fallout, Glo showed up looking reborn. New hair, new style, and possibly a new nose sparked a wildfire across timelines. But it wasn't just the transformation, it was the message. That one photo, it shifted everything. With a calm caption and a face card that screamed arrival, Glo looked like she was built for the big stage. It wasn't a selfie, it was a statement. Fans called it the rich girl rebrand, silent but powerful, and not open for questions. GloRilla took center stage, and just when things started to settle, she flipped the entire internet on its head again. She casually went live, fresh face, refreshed energy like it was just another easy Sunday, perched comfortably and scrolling through comments with a soft laugh, completely unbothered. Meanwhile, her comments were in meltdown mode. Viewers were in full disbelief. Wait, is that Glo? Who is this? She looks completely different. But Glo stayed composed, effortlessly cool, no snarky replies, no cryptic posts. Just a confident hair flip, a sly smirk, and an effortless vibe that said everything without needing to speak. That live wasn't just casual, it was a power play. Her confidence glowed through the screen, like a spotlight that never dims. GloRilla stepped into the spotlight with ease and flipped the entire narrative without saying a single word. She went live on social media with a bare face and a different kind of energy, one that radiated confidence, peace, and quiet power. It was not some over-the-top orchestrated reveal. There were no flashy intros, no music cues, and no heavy filters. Just Glo, sitting comfortably, scrolling through comments like she was catching up with old friends. While the internet behind the screen fell into a collective meltdown, the live chat was nothing short of chaos. Fans were stunned, shocked, captivated. The comment section flooded with disbelief and awe. Is that really her? She looks completely different. Glow up is real. People could not stop talking, replaying the moment, analyzing her look, her energy, her composure. But GloRilla, she did not flinch. No emotional rants, no defensive speeches, no cryptic messages tucked between emojis. Just that effortless, knowing smirk. The kind that says, I see it all, and I'm unbothered. There was a power in her silence that no caption could match. Her whole demeanor gave off the energy of someone who had fully stepped into her era. No apologies, no explanations, just presence. And that presence, it filled the screen. She was glowing in a way that felt earned, not bought. That fresh face was not just a skincare wine, it was symbolic. She looked renewed, like someone who had released the noise, the pressure, and the need to prove anything to anyone. And that, right there, is what made this live session a moment. This was not about a new hairstyle or a designer outfit. It was about confidence, growth, transformation. It was about showing up as your fullest self when the world is watching, and doing so with calm certainty. For fans who had been following the ongoing whispers about Gotti, Angela, and Glo, this moment felt like a silent press release, a message delivered without words. I'm good. I'm thriving. And no, I don't owe you a thing. The beauty of it all was how effortlessly she held the room. She did not need to clap back at rumors or post glossy photos to keep up appearances. Her presence alone told the story. It was a quiet flex, but one that screamed power. Fans could not stop watching. And that was the real win. She made an entire audience stop scrolling, lean in, and pay attention, all without raising her voice or dropping a single line of shade. GloRilla let her glow do the talking, and the message landed, loud and clear. That live felt like a silent press conference, no explanations, just evolution. And just like that, what started as whispers quickly turned into full-on internet buzz. People started calling her transformation the Gotti Effect. At an awards show, Yo Gotti himself gave a nod to all the women in his life. But fans zeroed in on how his focus seemed laser-sharp, especially when it came to GloRilla. Now the conversation has shifted. This new era, quiet luxury, elite style, and unapologetic confidence is being credited to her proximity to Gotti. People are connecting the dots fast. They are asking, did Gotti really crown GloRilla the new queen of CMG? It is not just about aesthetics or label perks anymore. It is the way she walks, the way she commands attention without saying a word. The energy is unmistakable. Fans are comparing how he treated Angela Simmons, and the contrast is loud. While Glo was catching flights and living her looks life, Angela was fading out. No red carpets, no spotlight, no energy. Some say Angela had been emotionally tapped out long before the public saw it. Behind those polished posts was a woman exhausted by the imbalance, giving loyalty and consistency, receiving distance and silence in return. Angela held him down like a partner. Gotti treated her like an accessory to his grind. And when she stopped feeling like a priority, the love quietly crumbled. Meanwhile, GloRilla stepped into the scene, and suddenly, Gotti was front row for her every move, loud praise, public admiration, spotlighting her at every chance. What was once Angela's seat is now Glo's stage. And she is not just filling space, she owns it. The fans noticed the Glo shift. Angela's graceful exit from the digital stage hit different because it was not loud or messy, it was just gone. No goodbye, no closure, just a woman reclaiming her peace. And Gotti, his silence is as calculated as his moves. Every time he talks about CMG now, GloRilla is the headline, not a coincidence. The energy, the attention, the consistency, it all screams more than mentorship. People are dissecting every look, every laugh, every stage moment, wondering if this connection is deeper than music. Whatever the truth may be, one thing is clear: Angela and Gotti's story is over. GloRillas Moment has begun, and the internet, watching every second like it is season 2 of a hit series. No one's blinking. Not anymore. GloRilla did not have to say a word, her silence roared louder than any caption ever could. No cryptic messages, no blurred selfies, no subtle emoji teases. Just a clean break and a louder than words entrance. As Angela quietly faded out of the frame, Glo walked in like the moment had been waiting on her. With unmatched presence and fierce confidence, she stepped into the spotlight, offering no explanations, only unapologetic excellence. Her posts, fire; her photos, flawless; her attitude, I said what I said. When Glo hit the stage to accept her win, emotions took over. "Oh my God, I can't believe this," she said tearfully. Just 3 years ago, she was still trying to make a name, and now she stood center stage, backed by CMG, thanking fans and everyone who had helped fuel her rise. It was a full circle moment, and the energy, raw and real. Meanwhile, Angela Simmons vanished with a plot twist worthy of a movie. No goodbye posts, no spicy captions, not even a hint. The woman who once led with soft quotes and sweet glimpses into her love life had gone completely silent. And that silence, it spoke volumes. Angela had pivoted. No more background cheering, no more front row appearances. She rebranded her page into a solo power zone, and that soft, glowing smile, it now read, "I'm over it." It tracks. Angela was always the one cheering loudest for Gotti, standing firm, showing up, holding it down. But she benched herself. Fans felt it, and opinions split fast. Some said, Gotti let go of a queen. Others claimed Glo earned her throne fair and square. And let's be clear, Glo did not stumble into fame. She worked for it, stayed grounded, and climbed through the chaos. This is not drama. It is destiny, and the internet. It could not keep quiet. While Angela disappeared from public view, Glo kept rising. Every post screamed main character. Her confidence spilled into every photo, caption, and appearance. Meanwhile, Gotti went ghost: zero updates, zero explanations. Fans filled the silence with their own theories. Some say it was all a strategic move. Let the mess settle, let Glo rise. And if that was the plan, it is working. Let us rewind. Gotti did not just fancy Angela, he was obsessed. She was not just a crush, she was the muse. He dropped her name in lyrics, painted her as untouchable. But the fantasy could not carry the weight of reality. Angela walked in with real-life grief, motherhood, bills, and the need for something solid. But Gotti may have only been ready for the dream, not the demands. Behind all those sweet moments online, Angela faced heavy things: lawsuits, financial pressure, a quiet collapse. No filter could hide that. And when things broke, they broke. Fast, no slow fade, just silence. Now, GloRilla is glowing like she was born for the stage. Her career is catching fire, her look is bossed up, and she is moving like she owns it all. Meanwhile, Angela's exit was silent, intentional, mature. And that silence, it hit hard. And Gotti, he is known to invest in his artists, splurging on gifts that double as business. Chains, cars, and luxury perks are all part of the package. But sometimes, the lines blur. When it comes to Glo, it does not feel like just business. The way he promotes her, supports her, and stands by her screams something deeper. The energy shifted, and social media sees it. This story is still unfolding. Whether it is love, business, or both, one thing is clear. Glo holds the mic now, and Angela. She might be quiet, but trust when she speaks again, the world will be listening. Gotti dropping serious money like $35,000 or more on his artists is nothing new. He's always been known to invest big upfront, showing his belief in them with lavish gifts and major support. That part doesn't surprise anyone. But what does feel unexpected is the shift in how he's moving lately. Gotti has always carried himself as a calculated businessman, someone who leads with logic and puts profit before pleasure. His decisions usually scream strategy, not sentiment. So this latest situation feels like a break from that pattern. Almost like personal feelings might be steering the ship hand for someone as disciplined and business-minded as Gotti. That's what really makes this stand out. If what people are speculating is actually true, then this situation might mark a turning point where personal emotions are being placed above business. Something that could be risky for someone like Yo Gotti, who's built his brand on calculated, profit-first decisions. Once things shift from strictly music to a personal dynamic with an artist, the business lines blur, and that's where things get complicated. To be clear, we do not know if any of this is fact. This is all commentary based on public chatter, and we are reacting to the conversation, not making claims. That said, Angela Simmons deserves credit for handling the storm with grace, keeping quiet and composed despite the drama swirling around her name. From everything we've observed, and from what people close to Gotti have said publicly, he's always struck me as a sharp, strategic thinker who focuses on long-term business outcomes over temporary emotions. He's known to invest big in artists up front, but typically that's all part of the contract, part of the calculated marketing machine that makes people want to sign with him. If this situation truly reflects a personal detour from his usual methods, it's surprising because it seems out of step with the business-savvy Gotti we've come to expect. Still, I'll admit, I do not know the man personally. I'm not claiming to know his heart, just going off what we can see and what insiders have said. As for Angela, she's still relevant, still pulling engagement, and clearly still has fans invested in her story. So if Gotti really did move on thinking he got everything he could from her, that might be a miscalculation. She is still hot in the culture. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Snow signing off. Take care, y'all.